Today, I was going to deliver one of the very interesting topic, that is the synthesis of nanomaterial, the different method also. Okay, this is the synthesis of nanomaterials. Synthesis. So, first of all, what is nano? Sorry, what is nanomaterial? Materials. Okay, so nanomaterials, the materials which have the particular scale in between 1 to 100 nanometer scale. Okay, so the material which have in one dimension in this scale, that is 1 to 100 nanometer scale, this materials is called nanomaterial. Okay, nanomaterials materials. Okay, so this is the nanomaterial. So today we are discussing about the synthesis of nanomaterial. So synthesis of nanomaterial, that's mean synthesis of materials. So there is a two process is there. Okay, synthesis of nanomaterial. One is first is one and also the two, that is top to bottom, and another is bottom to top. Okay, so top to bottom and the bottom to top, this is the two method is there. Okay, that is top down and bottom up, this is the two method. Okay, so first is all then top down and bottom to top, this is the top down, but top to bottom or top down. Okay, and it is also called bottom to top, but bottom to up. Okay, this is the top to bottom, but top to top down methods. So top down methods, that mean this is the first bulk material, this is the first bulk material is there, the bulk material. Okay, this is the bulk material. So first it is called bulk material, bulk material, arrow. If this, after that, this bulk material going to the powder. Okay, this bulk material going to form of, this is the form of okay, this is form of powder, and after powder it is going to very small part, very small, this is called nanomaterials. Okay, so first is bulk, second is powder, and third is nanomaterial. So in top down method there is the nanomaterials বা nanoparticle, next হচ্ছে cluster, then atom, next it is going to clusters, very small also, very small, very small also, very small also, very small, this is called cluster. Okay, So this is the cluster. So first is bulk material, then going to the powder, then nanomaterial, then cluster, and finally it is going to the atom. Finally going to this is going to finally this is called atom. Okay, so this is the top down method. First is bulk material, this big size, this particle size, and after some process, by some process, there is the some process is there. One is biological, chemical, or physical process. Going to the powdery form, there is the very small particle, and then it is going to the nanomaterial or nanostructure material by going to the powder to nanostructure material. After nanostructure material, by some method going to the cluster form, then it is the final form, that is the atom. This is the very smallest particle. So this is we get that nanomaterial. Okay, that's the nanostructure material. So it is the having the scale 1 to 100 nanometer. Okay, so there is any dimension of that material they have reached in that type of the scale 1 to 100 nanometers. So this is the finally with the synthesis of the nanomaterial. And next we just two method another two method is the bottom to top but bottom up. This is bottom up method. Bottom up methods. So this is that is the bulk to atom. That means bulk is very larger size, atom is very smallest size, that is very small particle, small size. So this is called top to down. Okay, and another method is called bottom to bottom up method. That's mean that is the reverse condition of that method. So first is this is the atom, then to cluster, then to nanomaterial, nanomaterials, going to powderic form. Next that is called bulk. So this is the first method, and this is the second method. There is the synthesis of nanomaterial or the production of the nanomaterial. There is the two method is there. One is the top to bottom, and another is the bottom to top. So top to down, the bottom, top to down methods. That mean bulk is the top is their position. They are the larger in size. Then going to the powderic form after some process, and after some process we can break, that is you just bulk material. This is the bulk material, and that's the bulk material, and by some physical, chemical, or biological process we can break this material and going to the powderic form. This after that powderic form they are break to going to the nanomaterial. They are very small in size, that is 1 to 100 nanometer size, then going to the cluster form and going to the atom form. This is the top down method, and this another method is called the bottom up method. This is the reverse condition. This is the reverse method of the top down method. So this is the called, there is the first starting is the atom. This is the first starting the atom. When so many atoms are intermingled and joined to form the clusteric form, and cluster they are also joined to many cluster, they are produced that in nanomaterial form. Nanomaterial, that's mean macro and micro nanomaterials, and then produce the powderic form, then it is the bulk form. So this is the synthesis, the method. There are the two methods we can discuss, that is the top down and the bottom up methods. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में हम लोग इसके बाद हम लोग जो डिस्कस करेंगे, जो सिंथेसिस ऑफ द नैनो मटेरियल उसके जो प्रोसेस है, दिस इज द मेथड, टू मेथड्स, बट देयर इज सम प्रोसेस इज देयर, द बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस, केमिकल प्रोसेस एंड द फिजिकल प्रोसेस। इसके बाद में जो हम लोग जो स्लाइड में देखेंगे पार्ट 2 में, वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे वो मेथड में काम करता है, कि क्या टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर होता है, और बायोलॉजिकल मेथड में क्या होता है, उसका दिक्कत क्या है, सब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इसके दूसरे पार्ट में। ओके, थैंक यू।